So we got this, what is that, a 2007 Lexus IS200. 200? No, 250. So it jump started backwards. I did notice that there is a fuse missing from right here. This one, 15 amp. Right here, they have these mixed up. I have this in a 25 power heater circuit. It's for the turn signals. Not a big deal. Over here, I checked all the fuses. These were good. What I did notice is when I scanned the car, we have these ignition codes and mass airflow sensor codes. So I quickly brought up a diagram. All the yellow wires on here are power. And I had zoomed out and I followed all the power. And so all of these came over to this other page. What was this at? Oh, it turned it off for some reason. Did I lose internet? Okay, it just didn't load right. Came in the splice right here. Which all our yellows were up here. And you see it when it also turns into... did I highlight the black by accident? Might have highlighted the black by accident. Well, we do this yellow here. Just go through with this. Okay, so that goes to the cold start injector. Actually, I should probably reset this. Let's go back. Let's look at our injectors. I mean, not our injectors, our coils. Somehow I mixed this up. Zoom all the way out. Let's find our... So this is what I did. I just came down here and I highlighted these. Okay, maybe I highlighted too much. Oh no. Because I think we got... There we go. Let's go. Let's go over a couple pages. There's our two yellows. Okay, so the two yellows go up into this, which then go to this one and this one. Let's see where these go. Okay, so they all go to next page. Cold start. Follow this back over. Back over. Back over. Okay, IG fuse 2. I think we had power on that one. Let's see. Is it IG fuse 2? IG fuse 2 10 amps. That's right here. IG2. Let's check, see if we have power, because we don't have power there. Let's see. IG fuse 2. So we have power on that. Interesting. So we don't have power from... I guess we gotta get to our splice. Where's our splice at? Because they said this thing will just keep cranking. I didn't try it. They took the starter relay out. Where's this at? Left side. JC49. Front location. JC49. Let's see. See where JC49 is. I wonder if they call it E49 right here. Okay, sorry about that, ran out of space. So E49, I'm assuming that's your junction connector. It's supposed to be right here. So I'm gonna look for that real quick and then I'll come back. That's a junction connector, so hopefully that's it. There's a couple junction connectors. Yeah, I missed that it did say E49 right there. But that should be over here somewhere, so we're gonna look for that. So it says 4 yellows, which I don't know what this one means. I don't know if that's shared. And then we got 4 blacks and 2 purples. So I think I found it right here. We got 3 yellows, 4 blacks. Looks like 2 purples. And if I come on these, you'll see we got power on this one. Go to the next one. No power. And then the next one's no power. So I'm gonna disconnect this and we'll check it out. So I realized that this didn't even have I just went through and corrected everything. So this didn't have a power heater. It's not even, there's no pins there for it. So I moved the fuse. And over here what I found out was too, somebody had put this connector over here. So we had those wires there. Or wait, it was these wires going into this one. Like that. So they were in there. So this is a through connector. So this was like I don't know if it shorted anything out. Because these connectors are interchangeable. Here, I'll show you guys. Here you go, you can see how this fits into here, and then this one went in here. I'm like, well, that ain't right. At least didn't seem right. Then I took this apart, my friend sent me photos, and you can see the pins in there, how they're bridged. I'm like, well, they're supposed to be bridged on this black one. So then I put this one on here, and all my codes went away, and I heard the car power up. Put that one in there, and then this one in here. Then when I did that, all my codes went away, so put this in here. We'll put this one here. I'm charging the battery up. Battery's dead. I tried starting it, but it's like flooded, probably because there was no spark ever happening. So there we go. So that's done. So that's like that. So I'm just waiting for this to charge up, and then we'll try jump starting it again. Hopefully we can get it running. But man, I don't know how that happened. I got the car running. There's a lot of smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe. It's all gas. This thing just reeks of gas. See if we got any codes. That's airflow's done so well. Maybe it damaged it. Try restarting it. Let's see. I have to show off my battery charger too. Okay, it started right back up. Let's get my stuff out of here. I have to put this cover back on later. It's not going on. Let's see if we have any codes. But I cannot believe those connectors are mixed up. So I found out that this car was actually, I thought it was at another shop, but they said that the person needed help starting it, so somebody went out and jump started it. Just a random person tried jump starting it. And I guess they jump started it backwards a couple times. But my friend said when it came in, one of these bolts was missing, so I think we fixed this, guys. I don't see a mass airflow thing in here. But I'm confident that we fixed it. It smells lovely. It's like reeking in here. Yeah, that's good. I'd say 4 grams. Showing something. So, wasn't the best video, but hope you guys liked it. Now we know why we didn't have another photo at the end of the connector, because it wasn't the same connector. See you guys later.